Bird nests can be simple or complex structures. African weavers of many species make woven structures of a single nest or massive group nests where dozens to hundreds of individual nesting chambers form a single gigantic structure. In Africa, the hammerkop catches fish and tadpoles, but it is most known for making an enormous stick nest. Both sexes collaborate. The prize for the largest nest goes to the American bald eagle, and the smallest to hummingbirds. Some nests are an engineering feat, such as nests made by thornbirds of South America. Like other species, thornbirds inherit a genetic blueprint for nest building. They instinctively know what materials to collect, how to arrange them in a specific pattern, and when to start and when to stop. Some nests do end up larger or smaller, but there is some artistic leeway. Both thornbirds and cachalotes are members of the ovenbird family. These rufous-fronted thornbirds work as a team, which must be difficult since they have no hands, and even if they could talk, they have a stick in their mouth. The brown cachalote makes a nest that provides a razor ribbon level of protection. Male and females take turns adding sticks, which seems a lot less chaotic than how the thornbirds do it. The rufous-fronted thornbird is quite unusual in being a routinely cooperative breeder. The young from the previous year stick around to help parents raise the next batch of young. The entrance is a long, twisty tunnel of sharp thorns. This nest can last for years. On the other hand, we have pigeon nests that take minimal materials, minimal thinking, and minimal effort. Since pigeons are heavy birds, there must be some secret engineering that prevents a total collapse of the flimsy-looking nest. On a nearby branch is one of the most sophisticated bird nests in the world, a Rufus ornero mud nest. This nest, with its narrow entrance, provides a secure chamber that is difficult for snakes, mammals, and predatory birds to enter. The spiral entrance tunnel forces intruders to make tight turns, which gives the adult some time to escape or defend itself. Placed high on a branch or a fence post reduces ground predation access. Hornero means baker in Spanish, and the name in Brazil translates as John of the Mud. The hardened adobe keeps the nest cooler during hot days and warmer on cold nights. It also shields the nest from heavy rains and strong winds. It's also pretty good camouflage. Horneros aren't afraid of people and have adapted to incorporate modern elements to their design. However, they're still the traditionalists.